As we all know, climate change is already happening around the world, largely caused by human emission of greenhouse gases. For a better understanding of the topic we're tackling today, I will look at what climate change is. Climate change refers to the long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, but for a long time, human activities have been the main driver of climate change. Primarily due to the burning of fossil fuels like oil, gas, and coal, which produces heat-trapping gases. Let's look at the relationship between climate change and the environment. How does the climate change affect the environment? Climate change has led to more frequent extreme weather events like drought, which last for a long period than usual, and irregular and unpredicted rainfall, flooding, and increase in temperature. And climate change is here with us. We cannot stop it. The only way is to see how to work around it. Over the past century, the average annual temperature on Earth has increased, and the oceans have warmed, snow and ice caps have diminished, and sea levels have risen. Climate change is being felt in countries around the world. Water is becoming scarce in more regions due to drought. Deserts are increasing, reducing land for food growing. Most lands are seeing more hot days and heat waves. Higher temperature increases heat-related illness and can make it more difficult to work and move around. Wildfire starts more easily and spreads more rapidly when conditions are hotter. More severe storms, changes in temperature, causes change in rainfall. This results in more severe and frequent storms. They cause flooding and landslide, destroying homes and communities and costing fortune. When we look deeper into this, there are many other impacts of climate change on the environment. In order to protect our environment, we have to reduce activities such as cutting trees, which leads to climate change. As habitants, we should prioritize the conservation of our environment so as to provide favorable living conditions for our generation and the more to come.